Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. In our last video, we have talked about how to install JavaScript and how to install Java and how to install Visual Studio Code and a lot of other things. In this video, we are going to talk about how to run code in terminal. So what is terminal? Terminal is this window here, which runs the code. So how do we run code in terminal 100%? So first of all, what you're gonna do is you are going to go to File, which is next to Edit and right above the Explorer. Go to File and after that go to Settings. But first of all, the settings is in Preferences. So File, Preferences, Settings. Very easy. So after that, we are going to go to extensions. Very easy to find and extremely easy to do. So just click on extensions. Go right about here. And we are going to click on run code configuration, which is right above simple browser and below references search view. Reference search view. So in run code configuration, as you can see, you can go with custom command, CVD, default language. You can do all kinds of stuff. But the thing we're searching for is this right here, which is run in terminal. Whether to run code in integrated terminal. Check that, and after you check it, it's going to work 100%. Every code is gonna run in terminal. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was very easy to understand. And bye. See ya.